Alright, guys. I know you've been a lot up today, and what we got here is a 52-inch. I'm sorry, I don't know if it's a 42-inch or something. Here's a Harbor Breeze Armory ceiling fan that it came in my local Habitat restore, and it came in my local Lowe's or something, and Lowe's Habitat. So the thing that it is from the it's from 2019 according to the that's the middle of the tutorial. It says wait. It says Harbor Breeze. Looks like it's looking like a lot of cost. It's cost $50 or something. I don't know. It must be 75 cents or something. The armory doesn't live at Lowe's because it might got lost. And the 52-inch Tiempo is not allowed in either. It's from 2009. I'm sorry. That's from 2009, of course. And I'll begin with the light kit. I'll begin with the high speed. I'm sorry, low speed. And kind of like a... Oh! Okay. Medium speed? Wait. The thing it does go slow on high. And the Mekon Bay is on high too. But Mekon Bay is on slowly high. The 62-inch Harbor Breeze Mekon Bay is on slow on high. Slow blaze on high. I just want to guess that. Maybe want to do high speed? No. Whew. Harbor Breeze logo, like I said before. We'll just wait. Blasting. We'll just wait. Come on. Okay, so that's the 52-inch or 42-inch, I'm sorry, whatever one to call it, Hobby Breeze Armory ceiling fan. Like and subscribe, and stay more videos for more to come.